Let's move on to questions related to grammar section. First, we are going to talk about pronouns. कि pronouns होते क्या हैं? So, a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. First is demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. These pronouns can indicate items in space or time, and they can be either singular or plural. Example, this, that, these, those, etc. मतलब ये इशारा करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. Then, the second type is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. Example, myself, yourself, herself, ourselves, themselves, etc. इसमें self वाले word use होंगे. Example इसकी है, she took herself to the hospital. मतलब वो खुद को hospital लेके गई और खुद ही लेके गई, तो subject और object same हुए. Last type is interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to make asking questions easy. Example, what, why, who, whom, which, when, how, etc. Moving on to exercise related to this topic. In this exercise, we have to identify demonstrative, reflexive, and interrogative pronouns in the following sentences. So, first is, hand me that hammer. तो इसमें हम इशारा करके बात कर रहे हैं कि मुझे वो हैमर पकड़ाओ. तो it is demonstrative hammer. Second is, I saw myself in the mirror. अब self वाला word आ रहा है, so it's reflexive. Third is, who is there? Question आ रहा है, so it's interrogative pronoun. Fourth is, he himself will be our new friend. Again self वाला word आ रहा है, तो इसमें भी reflexive pronoun होगा. Fifth is this your teacher's book? Again इशारा करने की बात हो रही है कि क्या ये तुम्हारी टीचर की बुक है, तो it will be demonstrative pronoun. Sixth is, which is your pen? So question पूछा जा रहा है, तो it will be interrogative pronoun. Let's move on to next grammatical topic, which is of present and past participles used as adjectives. Present participles क्या होते हैं? जो ing पर end होते हैं, and past participles D पे, ED पर, T पर, N पर end होते हैं. जब हमारे पास present या past participles adjectives की तरह act करेंगे, adjectives क्या करते हैं? noun को qualify करते हैं. जब ये वाला role वो play करेंगे, तो हम उन्हें present और past participles कहेंगे. Example is, I was amused by the way she acted in the play. अब amused जो है, वो verb की तरह नहीं आ रहा है, बल्कि past participle की तरह यूज हो रहा है. Second is, do you find this type of humor amusing? Again, amusing ing verb वाली form होती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये present participle की तरह आ रही है, क्योंकि ये humor को qualify कर रही है कि क्या तुम्हें ये humor amusing लग रहा है, तो it's present participle. Let's move on to exercise related to this grammatical topic, and in this exercise we have to choose appropriate participles. So the first is, the movie was really dash, and we have present and past participles. First is interested and then interesting. So the movie was really interesting. B, I thought it was a good lecture, but I was not very dash interested, interesting in the topic. So इसमें हम interested use करेंगे, which is past participle. Second is, our town is so dash bored, boring. There is nothing to do here. Our town is so boring. Present participle आएगा. B, are you dash bored, boring with that game already? Are you bored? Past participle आएगा with that game already. Third is, have you heard her laugh? It's so dash annoyed annoying. It's so annoying. Present participle आएगा B. I'm really dash annoyed annoying with one of my co-workers. I'm really annoyed with one of my co-workers. Fourth is the city was dash damaged damaging during the storm. The city was damaged. Present participle आएगा during the storm. B is the information was quite dash damaging to his reputation. The information was quite damaging to his reputation. B is this treatment is really great. It makes me feel so dash relaxed relaxing. It makes me feel so relaxed. B. I didn't like that movie. I thought it was too dash depressed depressing. So it will be depressing. Present participle आएगा यहाँ पे. Let's move on to next grammatical topic, which is of gerund phrase. अब gerund phrase क्या होता है ये देख लेते हैं. The gerund phrase includes the gerund and the object of the gerund or any modifiers related to the gerund. In the following example, the gerund is bold and the gerund phrase is underlined. The student gathered signatures for increasing the hours of the library. So, इस gerund क्या होता है ing form of words होते हैं जो noun की तरह act कर रहे होते हैं, verb की तरह act नहीं कर रहे होते. So, increasing the hours की जगह अगर हम what का question लगाए तो हम उसको answer कर सकते हैं कि the student gathered signatures for increasing the hours of the library. Why were the students gathering the signatures? For increasing the hours. So ये noun की तरह add कर रहा है. So ये पूरा जो phrase है underline ये gerund phrase कहलाएगा क्योंकि it is starting from a gerund. Moving on to next phrase, it is infinitive phrase. Infinitives क्या होते हैं? To plus base form of verb. Base form मतलब first form of verb. So the infinitive phrase includes the infinitive and the object of the infinitive or any modifiers related to the infinitive. In the following example, the infinitive is bold and the infinitive phrase is underlined. Every cricket team has a captain to direct the other players. अब to direct आ रहा है to plus base form of verb और उसके साथ में the other players. To direct the other players जो है वो हमारे पास infinitive phrase आ जाएगा. इसको हम पूरे को underline करेंगे. Moving on to next type of phrase, which is prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase क्या होता है? It includes the prepositions and the object of the prepositions or any modifiers related to the preposition. In the following example, the preposition is bold and the prepositional phrase is underlined. Samra could hear her sister snoring across the room. अब across जो है हमारे पास preposition है. इसके बाद उसका जो object है the room वो भी prepositional phrase में आ जाएगा. So let's discuss the exercise related to these phrases. And it is identify gerund phrases, infinitive phrases and prepositional phrases in the following sentences. First is Maria fell over the cat. A. Infinitive phrase. B. Gerund phrase. C. Prepositional phrase. अब over जो है हमारे पास preposition है और the cat जो है हमारे पास object of preposition है तो ये हमारे पास C option है prepositional phrase. Second is the strikers held a meeting to discuss the terms of employers. A. Infinitive phrase. B. Gerund phrase. C. Prepositional phrase. So if we see to discuss, ये infinitive आ रहा है तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा A. Infinitive phrase. Third is after learning the parts of speech, the class began studying punctuation. Learning ing form आ रही है and it is answering to question what. तो ये हमारे पास gerund phrase आ जाएगा. It's B option. Fourth one is will someone be here soon to open the door? Again, to open, to plus base form. तो ये हमारे पास A option आ जाएगी, which is infinitive phrase. Fifth is Talha visited Turkey while studying the history of Turkish art. अब off है. Again, ये हमारे पास prepositional phrase आ जाएगा. Sixth is before putting too much effort into the project, you should get some guidance from your boss. A. Infinitive phrase, B. gerund phrase, C. prepositional phrase. And if we see ing form आ रही है, and again it's answering question what, तो हमारे पास ये gerund phrase आ जाएगा. 7th is, does the captain want us to lower the sails before we enter the harbor? So to lower, again infinitive aa raha hai, so it's an infinitive phrase. So this was all about grammar portion. Thank you. With this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. We'll be meeting with some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor from tutoriadotpk signing out.